Good deal. Whoa! Cora jumped up on the bed. Easy, honey. Flex. And I want to break the item before I get there.
Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. You came back? I'm sure glad you did. Just not sure why. What sold on eBay last night? First thing that sold was this Greg Jennings rookie card, and it's numbered 24 to 519, 25 to 519. He was a good receiver for a while. I don't think his career lasted a long time, but this was a sealed from the company Panini. No, Topps, my bad. Bowman, Topps. And this was 2006. Look how old I am. I have to hold this away. 2006. Yes. And I've got a couple of these up, and I don't know why this one. So I'm going to message him right now and say, hey, I got another one. Got some more Greg Jennings cards. I'll make a deal. Whoa! Cora jumped up on the bed. Easy, honey. But that's another thing I like to do is contact the... Sit down, honey. Sit down, honey. Sit down, honey. Down. Sit. 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 She's off. Should I cut it out? I don't know. And I'm going to contact them, say, hey, I've got some more. I'll send some offers. I'll make you some deals so I can bundle it together. It saves me money. If you find an interested customer in someone, especially someone that's not playing now, they're probably just a big fan. Anyway, and Packers always sell. The next thing that just sold actually, I had to stop the video, was this Juan Soto. He's a great player. I got in a little too late. I didn't buy any cards last year when I knew I should have got some of his autos. He's one of the best hitters I've seen ever, honestly, and he's still young. And he's gonna put up some huge stats because he started playing real young. I think he was 19 when he started in the majors. And this is a 2021. It's a Cap logo patch. It was specially made, so it's not really from his hat. And there's also another version that are numbered, so these aren't really worth a lot. But someone bought it for $19.95. Easy, Cora. She's gonna jump back up. And next thing that sold was this Navy Mavericks hat. It's for women's. Still the tags. I got this. I was actually looking at my garage sale from last year on this one, and I got a whole box for $15. I mean, huge box. I think there were 6 of these. I've already sold 2. I believe I sold this one for $8.95 or $9.95. I'll put up the comp, but it's cool. It's Mavericks have a pretty good team, and don't sleep on hats. They're easy to ship. Sorry, Cora hit me there. Next thing that sold was this Mortal Kombat N64 game. It was a fun one, and it's not perfect or anything, but this is a guy from like New York, and he sent me all these lowball offers on all my N64s, and I didn't really take them because I like the N64 and I'll just keep them playing. So I have leverage on people, because what you find is there's a lot of people trying to buy on eBay and then resell on eBay. Because I looked at his store and he's just selling a bunch of this stuff. So he's just trying to get good deals and then flip them on eBay, which I used to do too, but I found better ways to source now. But $21.95 out the door, and I've already made a ton of money on this YouTube auction bundle, and just keeps piling on. Next thing that sold was, and this is something maybe people don't know about, but I have a couple Wii consoles that didn't work. They didn't read, or I think they just didn't read. and they kind of was making a noise. I'm sure if you got in there and you could fix it. And you can see where you can get into it, and so I have two of them here, and I put up there on the listing, we parts only, and put parentheses around it. I can't remember exactly how I did it, and then console lot, as is, no returns, and then put no returns on it too. And then I charge $13.95 for shipping because that's the medium flat rate box, the beauty of the flat rate box. And I always take off all the pieces, the flaps, this flap, and because you can reuse those when you find, because in the wild you'll find them and they'll be broken or not on there. And so I'll keep those. And then, so these two I had for $24.95 plus the $13.95 shipping. And you know, I find that people were hitting me right off the bat. Hey, $15, $20, best offer, easy, honey. And I didn't take it because most of the time that means it's someone something wants, and I have it at a good price. So I let it sit there I always let it sit there for at least a day when I'm getting a lot of offers like that. Cora, sit down, honey, sit down. She's gonna kill me. She's gonna give me a heart attack. Hey, I sat on it, waited till this morning. It sold for full price $24.95. So that's shipping out the door. And this one was up just for about 2 days. I got this one last year in a garage sale at the very end of the year. I believe I paid 20 or 25, and it came with a golf bag, and I think there was some other stuff in the golf bag. So and then I just run this driver really, and she basically said, you know, you have to take that. I was like, can I give you 15 for the driver? She's like, no. She just wanted to get rid of all that stuff. But it's a little bit messed up here, but otherwise it's pretty a nice cover. And this is a Callaway X Hot 10.5 degree. Most people don't like the 10.5 degree, and I believe there's a tool you can use to change the weight. I'm not exactly sure. I can't remember. I've never messed with that. I just get the club out and smash it. And it's got the stiff flex, I believe, or is this regular flex. And I want to break the item before I get there. And it'll say right here, it says R flex, and some of them will say S flex, or I forget the other one. And so you need to make sure that they want to know that. And most drivers are 45-inch long. 3-woods are usually 42.5, but I usually measure them just in case and put it on there too, just so they know. I sold this one for $89.95. I had a couple offers right off the bat at like $15, and I just let it sit there. And this morning I woke up, sold. And when I looked to see where it's going to Mountain Home, Missouri, so it's only about 40 miles away. So maybe that'll help my shipping cost. But this will be a Frankenbox. I should probably do a video on the Frankenbox. And the grip was really good. It's not a very old club, but I actually went and hit this club, and I just didn't like it. I like my own driver. And so anyway, this is what's sold on eBay. And grind on, friends. Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.